So in today's video, I am going to share Diwali DIY ideas. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Find Inspiration. If you are new to my channel or you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do consider subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell button to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. When it comes to festival, we think of lights, lamps and candles. So in today's video, I am going to share these beautiful tea light candle holders with thali. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. For the first DIY, here I am using cardboard. I have cut a cardboard measuring 10 into 10 cm and cut the edges in the shape of a petal, and also I have cut the center of the cardboard. So I have taken 3 pieces of cardboard to get the stiffness. By using Fevicol glue, I have stick them together, and using a masking tape, I have covered the edges so that it will be even. Now I apply a coat of homemade gesso and I'll just allow it to dry. So once it is dried, here I am going to color it. I am using scarlet acrylic color. You can use any color of your choice, which is completely optional to you. Once the coloring is done, this is the time to do some detailing on this candle holder. So here I am using this 3D cone which I have purchased from a local market. Instead of this cone, you can also use 3D outliner, and here I am going to do some freehand design. You can do any type of design which is completely optional to you, and you can stick mirror also instead of making these type of designs. And here I am going to stick some mirrors which I have purchased from a local craft shop. You can stick different type of mirrors. Instead of round, you will get many other shapes like diamond, triangle, etc. So here we complete our work, and I'll repeat the same on the other tea light candle holder. Once it is dried completely, do not forget to give a coat of varnish to secure the painting. So here comes the final reveal. It looks very beautiful when you place some tea lights on this holder. By making such easy DIYs, you can decorate your home for this festival. Okay, let's move to the second DIY. So here once again I am using this cardboard which I have cut in a circular shape. To get the thickness, I have sticked 3 cardboards, and I have cut 1 cardboard from center so that I get a thali shape. Using masking tape, you cover the edges, and then I am applying this homemade gesso all over the cardboard. The recipe of homemade gesso I have already shared in my channel, and I will give the link in the description box. You can check there. Once it is dried, now it's time to color it. So here I am using acrylic color to paint the cardboard. Here I want to give some different shades. So here I am using white, lemon yellow, orange and pink acrylic colors to paint the cardboard. Here you can see I have blended the color nicely. So for the edges, here I am using crimson color. So once the coloring is done, allow it to dry. Now I am using this stencil which I have purchased from Itsy Bitsy. I will share the link in the description box, and here I am going to apply some texture paste on this stencil, and you can see the beautiful print of this mandala art on this cardboard. So allow it to dry before you start painting. And here I am using this gold metallic color which I have purchased from a hardware shop, and using a dry brush I am going to color this texture. So instead of this gold metallic paint, you can also use the acrylic gold metallic paint. And even on the sides of this cardboard, I am going to apply the same gold metallic color which gives a festival look to my tray. And using the same dry brush, I am just applying the metallic color on the edges also. To decorate this tray, here I am using half cut pearls which I have purchased from a local craft shop. Using Fevicol glue, I am going to stick it around the tray. Instead of these pearls, you can also use the stickers which is available once again in the craft shops. The tray is looking so beautiful when you stick these pearls. For some more detailing, I am using this 3D outliner and making the designs. So once you finish with your work, do not forget to give a coat of varnish. So here I am going to complete the tray and we will move to the tea light candle holders. So here once again I am using the cardboard and I have cut in a lotus shape. Instead of these cardboards, you can also use the MDF boards which are available in the market. Even I am going to color these tea lights in the same way as I painted the tray. So once it is dried, here once again I am using the stencil and I'll give a texture on this tea light holder. To make this texture paste, I have used POP powder, glue and very little of water and have kept the paste bit thick, and now you can see the texture on the tea light holders. So once it is dried, here I am going to color it in the similar way as I have colored the tray. So I'll give a gold metallic color in the center and even to the sides of this candle holder. Finally, we'll stick some pearls on this and we'll do some detailing using 3D outliner. Lastly, give a coat of varnish to secure the work. And here comes the final reveal. It looks beautiful when you lit some tea lights. If you have some other tea light holders, you can place it on the tray and decorate it. So here I am going to decorate this plate using these artificial flowers and placing the kumkum and haldi dabba. I have done a DIY on this kumkum and haldi dabba last year and I will share the link in the description box. You can check there. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Stay tuned with me for the next DIY videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.